Hello and welcome to our channel. So today we are unboxing the Home&Co mini blender with bottles. So this unit has the grinding, blending and juicing function. And just on a note, I did own one of these before, but the glass on the 1 liter jug cracked and hence juice was leaking out near the motoring unit, so I had to get it replaced. But when I went to replace it, they said that they'll just give us a new unit, so I decided to do unboxing of this one. So here is one of the lids. You get two shakers in this. This is the fine shaker and this is the coarse shaker. This is one of the lids. You get 4 of those for 4 of the 600 milliliter containers, and that's just a cover. These are the other lids in the covers. So this is the main unit. So as you can see, that's a cross blade there, and that's used for chopping, blending and grating. So this is the large juicing jug. That's 1 liter. So in our next video we will actually trial the blender and we will show you how it works, and we'll give you a review of the grinding capabilities, the blending capabilities and the juicing capabilities. So this is the smaller container that you get, and you will notice when I unclip it that it's got a smaller blade. This blade is used for grinding. This is really if you want to grind some nuts or some spices that you blend. And this is the main unit. It's quite small, will fit on your desk. If you like this video, you can comment or leave a like, and if you want to stay up to date, you can subscribe. So for our next video, we will be doing the review of the mini blender with bottles. Thanks for watching and take care.